In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join objects in Blender. This is a quick but powerful workflow that lets you combine multiple separate objects into a single object, which is great for organizing your scene, simplifying your outliner, or preparing a model for export. First, decide which objects you actually want to combine. You only want to include the ones that should become part of the same object in the end. With your scene in view, start selecting them. To add more than one, hold Shift and click each object you want to include. Keep an eye on the selection highlight as you go. The order matters here because the last object you select becomes the active object. That active object is important. Blender will keep its name and carry over its modifiers to the final merged object. So as you shift-click through your selection, make sure the very last click is the object whose name and modifiers you want to keep. If you realize you clicked the wrong one last, just shift-click the correct object again to make it active before moving on. When your selection looks good and the right object is active, you're ready to join them. Press Ctrl+J. Blender will instantly merge all the selected objects into one. You'll see the outliner update to a single object using the active object's name. Any modifiers on that active object, like a mirror or subdivision surface, become the modifiers on the new combined object. The origin point of the result will also match the origin of the active object, which affects how it rotates, scales, and snaps. So choosing the active object carefully really pays off. After joining, all the underlying meshes are now part of one mesh inside a single object. Materials from all the original objects are preserved and collected into the material slots of the new object. If you had duplicate materials with the same name, you may see multiple slots, which you can clean up later if needed. From here, you can edit everything together, move it as one, or apply modifiers consistently across the whole merged piece. If the outcome isn't what you expected, use Ctrl+Z to undo and repeat the selection, making sure your final shift click sets the correct active object. That's really the key to getting predictable, clean results. And that's it. Select the objects, shift-click to add them, ensure the last selection is the one whose name and modifiers you want to keep, then press Ctrl+J. Simple, reliable, and super handy for keeping your Blender projects tidy.